Forget about creating your mailing calendar based on solely best performing offers. Now you can replicate the best top campaigns for each of your email lists by using the top campaigns per list report. Once logged into your Klarifi account, click on Reporting from the left navigation sidebar, and then click on Top Campaigns by List. Next, near the top of the page, choose the date range you want to use, how many top campaigns you want to see per list. Also, if you want to filter past top campaigns by what time of the day they went out, such as AM or PM, and then you can hit the refresh button on the top right corner of the page. And just like that, you'll see the top campaigns for each of your email lists on highest revenue. Have tons of different lists? You can easily use the search bar to search for top past campaigns for a particular email list.